Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove color tune on IMO. So if you are tired of your IMO color tune and want to remove it quickly, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can disable or remove your color tune on IMO in just a few steps. So first, you can just open the IMO applications on your phone. Okay, so once you open the app, you can just go to your profile by clicking on this button in the top left corner and then find settings. So under the settings in here, you can just go to the the notifications. Okay, now you can just go to calls in here and disable the vibrations. Here you can also choose the to inactivate the default ringtone. Just skip this and you can just go back and scroll down. In here you'll find the in-app section. So what you need to do is just turn turn all of them. So you can just turn off the in-app notifications, just this ones right here. It will automatically disable also the in-app vibrations and also sound. So just disable just like this. So if you don't see this option available, you need to to check if the notifications is on the all options, and you can after that disable the color tune. Okay, if you want to turn it back on, if you want to receive the color tune again, you can go back or scroll down and enable the in-app notification, and also on the calls in here activate the vibrations again. So let me repeat. You can just open your IMO and then go to the settings by tapping on your profile in the top left corner. Go to the settings menu, and in here go straight to notification, and then you can turn off all of the notifications to remove the color tune. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you still have question, you can always leave a comment down below. But if you think this video will be helpful for you, so don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon. You can also click on the subscribe, and also thanks. Bye.